KFC Coleslaw. What is KFC Coleslaw made of? America's favorite coleslaw is made with these ingredients: green cabbage, white onion, carrots, Miracle Whip Light, sugar, vinegar, vegetable oil. Cut up the cabbage and place it in the food processor. Cut up the onion and carrots at this time. Use only 1/4 to half of the onion and green pepper, but use all of the carrots. Add the chopped vegetables to the food processor. Pulsed chop the cabbage and vegetables. In a mixing bowl, combine the Miracle Whip, vinegar, oil, and sugar until smooth. Give it a taste and see if it's sweet with just a hint of vinegar, then you know it's right. If not, you can just add a hint of what you are missing. Add the dressing to the veggies and mix well. Let it stand at least 1 hour for the flavors to come together.